Yeah, welcome to my channel once again. Here in this video is about BBQ coin. So all you need to do, watch this video to the end. It's going to be fantastic. And if it is your first time of coming to my channel, consider subscribing for more video. So how this platform is that where you just type like this, they'll give you money. Where you type like this, they'll give you your money. In this place, this is the place they write friend. If you click on the friend now, like if you invite one friend, they'll give you 25,000 as your referral bonus. In this place, this is the place you can earn. So I have earned already. If you invite 10 people now, they'll give you 100,000 as your referral bonus also. Then if you click on this place, you earn also. So then if you join their Telegram discussion, they give you 5,000. Look at them, and so on. So that is how it is. So in this place, this is the place you can post. So that is how it is. Back to home. So as you can see, they have given me bonus now. I am going to click on the bonus added to my balance. So it don't add to my balance. So after they have launched it, they have paid into your wallet. I'm going to show you the wallet. They have paid the money inside. So this is how the wallet look like. When they have launched the BBQ coin, they have paid your money inside this wallet. So that is how it is. So that is how this amazing platform is. If you find this video interesting, consider subscribing for more video. Thank you for watching.